In Pilot's Knob, Kentucky, lies the grave of Mary Evelyn Ford, a 5-year-old girl buried in 1916. Locals believe she was accused of witchcraft, burned alive with her mother. To keep her spirit trapped, they encased her grave in concrete and surrounded it with iron bars, forming a cage. Visitors report tiny handprints inside the barrier and say the ground remains warm. Some claim they've seen a little girl wandering the cemetery at night, face burned, eyes hollow, reaching between the bars. Psychics say her spirit is angry, unfinished. Locals leave toys to soothe her, but if you mock her, they warn, she'll follow you home, her charred footsteps appearing in ash or dirt before she finally shows herself.